Hello listeners, welcome back to today's video. This is my first video on AI this year. We are going to talk about one interesting topic, a topic that is booming today in the world of large language model, AI. So we are looking at n8n today. n8n, what actually is n8n? n8n is a free open source workflow automation tools that allow users to automate repetitive tasks. Mark that word, repetitive tasks. Okay, actually it was designed, or it is designed simply for complex workflow by combining third-party API and internal tools. It has a lot of features. When you talk about visual editor, when you talk about drag and drop interface, talk about JavaScript support. It also supports AI native. You also have self-host. Okay, you can host it by yourself. It's also extensively integrated. Okay, it allows users to connect with a wide range of third-party applications. So today, I want you to move straight to nai.io. Okay, we have you can create a free account. Okay, it have their pricing, we have the enterprise, community, and so on and so forth. So what I want you to do, hit the get started. Okay, create account here. All right, put your email, sign up. Okay, then it can give you 14 days trial version. Now I want us to move straight. Once you have signed up, it will bring you down to this place. This is the dashboard. Okay, this is how it looks. But what we are going to do today, we are going to create an AI chatbot. Okay, we are going to create an AI chatbot. So to do that, this is what I want us to do. I want to start with what? Come here. If you click this, it actually take you to what? Workflow. Click on workflow, you show you what? Persona. Click on persona, it will bring you here. So I'm going to click here. We'll start with what? Trigger or chat trigger. Okay, because we are going to embed this chatbot into our what? Website and see how it responds. Okay, even before I start building it, look at how our application is going to look like. Say for instance we have something like this. Okay, then this is a chatbot. If I click here and say tell me more about Ojo Saddle, all right, you will see what our chatbot will do. Okay, you see it responds everything about the company. You say, hi, welcome to Ojo Saddle. It's committed to offering high quality IT services and innovations, software development solution tailored to your business need, and so on and so forth. Okay, so I will now say thanks. Okay, once I say thanks, let's see the report or response it will give to us. You say, you are very welcome. We are always here to help you or assist you in anything else that you need. Don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day. All right, this is what we are going to do today. So to do this and embed it in our website, we are simply going to come here, click on what? The first chat and type chat. We are going to select what? Chat trigger. All right, I'm not going to touch anything here. I'm going to leave it for now. I will drag it down to this place. Okay, then next we are going to click here and select Open AI. I'm going to select Open AI. Then, oh sorry, let me use AI agent. Let me use AI agent. Okay, let's use message to our AI agent. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to come here, select the tools, say conversational agent, because we have to have conversation with our what? AI. So I'm going to close here. Once I close here, this is how the AI agent interface looks. First, let's add a chat model. I'm going to use, you can use any of the chat model, but I'm going to use a Google Gemini. I have an account with Google Gemini, so create an account with Google Gemini. You can create your what? API here by going to aistudio.google.com/API key, create your Google Gemini, and you have your API here. Okay, so now I'm going to come here, select what? Google Gemini chat model. I'm using this one. Then I'm going to use let's say, let me use any of these model. I can use this as the case may be. Then I'm going to come here, go back, see, sorry, let me set this to what the model supports. Let's say 2.0 flash, right? Okay, then I'm going to select this, then I'm going to go back. All right, now it supports that. Then I'm going to select what memory buffer. I'm going to use what window memory buffer. You can use any of these. You can use Redis chat memory, you can use Postgre, you can use any of these, but I'm going to use a window memory chat buffer. Then I'm going to go back. So these are the two options that we have added so far. Now what next? I'm going to come here, let's set up this AI agent properly. But right now, if I chat with this AI, what will happen? If I come here and I say hi, let's see if we'll get a response. Okay, let's see if we'll have a response. Good. You say, hello, how can I assist you today? So our model is working, our automation workflow is working. But now let's try to customize it in such a way that we are going to give our AI agent a prompt, okay, so that whichever question you are going to ask our chatbot, it will respond based on the prompt that we have set in accordance to our what company or organization policy or services that we render. So to do that, I'm going to come here, click on AI agent. All right, come here, we have already selected conversational agent, then select chat, connect chat trigger node. Let's use as defined below. Okay, let's use as defined below. All right, so we're going to use this, and let's define this one, our text, which is our prompt. So to do that, I'm going to use expression, then expand this. Okay, let's say I have a response that I've already generated from ChatGPT about my company. So I'm going to copy it as it is. I'm going to copy it this way, down to this place. I'm going to copy it, then come back to my response. I'm going to paste it here. All right, this is what how the prompt should look like. Then at the bottom, I'm going to add what user prompts. Okay, and this user prompt will be what chat what put. I'm going to add it here. Now next, I'm going to what go back. All right, then go back again. Now if I ask our AI agent now, tell me about Ojo Saddle. Let's see what will happen. Good. Look at it. It says Ojo Saddle is an IT services and software development company committed to providing high quality and innovative solution tailored to a business unique needs, and so on and so forth. All right. Now that we have done that, next, what I want us to see is this. I'm going to come, let's work on our chat trigger. I will double click here. Okay, once I double click here, next I'm going to enable this chat public available. Okay, if I click on this, it will be enabled. All right, now that it's enabled, if you look at the bottom, we have what hosted chat, we have what embedded chat. Let me leave it as hosted chat first. I'm going to copy this URL. This URL you are seeing here, I'm going to copy this URL. So click here, it will copy. Open a new tab from your browser, paste it. I'm going to paste it here. Hit the enter button. It will show error. Reason because we have to come back to our workflow and what save it. After we have saved it, we now to what activate it. Then it's now active. As you can see, it's active. Now that it's active, what I'm going to do, I'm going to refresh here and see how our chat model will look like. You see, this is how it will look like. Now if I come here and say good day Ojo Saddle, hit enter, Let's see the response it's going to give us. It's a good day to you. How can I help you? I will not ask again. When do Ojosado open? You say we are open 24 hours every day. We are always here, whatever. As you can see, our what chatbot is working. Now, how can we embed it in our website? Okay. Now I'm going to come back to our chat trigger. Click here, double click it. Instead of using chat, hosted chat, I'm going to use what? Embedded chat. Okay. Now that I've moved it to embedded chat, okay, I'm going to go back here, save it. Next, come back to where you have hosted your application. All right. We close this. This is my website running on a cloud. Okay, for a test server purpose. I'm going to create a file here for my. I'll create a file called what? Chatbot. Okay. Now, while that one is loading, if you come here and double click your chat trigger, all right. If you look at this place, you say flow. You say follow the instruction here to embed a chat. So let me show you what you will do. A code that you copy and paste it on your website and see if it will work properly the same way it's working right now here. Okay, so come back here, click on this here, this place they type here, scroll down. We have what? A CDN embedded. We have imported embedded. Okay, whereby you can use npm install n8n/chat. You can run your command line on your website. We also have what? CSS, where you can use this one. But I'm going to use this method, CDN embedded. What are you going to do? Copy this code here as it is. Go to your notepad. Okay, paste it here. Then this go back again. Copy the URL. This URL that is rendering this chat. Okay, copy it and paste it here. All right. Replace it with this one, because initially this is what we copy. You are going to replace your product webhook URL with what? Your current URL that n8n has generated for you. That is just the only thing you are going to do. Okay. Then once you have done that, okay, highlight this code, copy it, go to your website that is running on the cloud. All right. Then paste it here, just like you have it here. Now save the file. Okay. Once you save the file, go back to your website. Let's refresh. Let's refresh and see. Okay, look at it. It's showing here. If I click here, wow, display, and I say hi. Let's see if it. Good. Tell me more about Ojosado services. Okay, hit enter. Wow, you say hi, welcome to Ojosado. We offer a range of services including custom software development starting from so. I will ask, okay, thanks. Once I say thanks, let's see what will respond to us. Wow, you say you are very welcome. We are always here to help you. If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Have a great day. Fine. So you see how simple it is to embed what? Your n8n workflow into a website. So I can rename here and call it what? Any name. Can call it AI Chatbot or whatsoever. Okay, can call it AI Chatbot. Okay, can just call it AI Chatbot. Hit enter. It has renamed. Okay, so this is how far what you can create what? Your own what? Chatbot. It's easy as what? That. So follow my video. In the subsequent video, I'm going to create more about on this large language model, how we can use AI n8n workflow to create and automate a lot of what? AI into our what? Running application. It could be on a cloud. We can also use this same workflow in a different pattern, okay, to integrate to our Gmail, Google Worksheet, and so many others of what? Integrations. integration. So thank you for your time. Feel free to subscribe to my video if you like this video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Remain blessed. Goodbye.